Hello everyone. Today we will install Python in VS Code in just 3 minutes. Now go to python.org site and click on Python install manager button. You will install Python version 3.14.3. Click on it. Now click on install Python button. Now install C Python. Enter Y, hit enter. Now take online help. Enter Y. See the documentation. Now check the version of the Python. So we will go to CMD and type Python hyphen space hyphen version. You will get the Python version. It is same as expected. Now we will install VS Code in our laptop. Now it got downloaded. Click on it. I already mentioned both the links, Python and VS Code, in the description box. You can view it. Now accept the agreement. Click on next. If you want to change the location, so you can do it from the browser. I do not want to change it. So click on next button. Next button. Check the checkbox, create a desktop icon. Now click on next button and install it. Click on finish. VS Code open. Now I already have some files and I want to run it. So let's go to one of the file and click on run button. It's already present at the right hand side top corner. Click on it. You will get the output. I got this run button from extension. For that you need to install code runner. I already installed it. I do not need to reinstall it. Then go to Python. You need to select Python from Microsoft and install it. I already installed it. I do not need to reinstall it. So you can install it on laptop. Then you will get this button. And if you want to run, you can directly right click and run the code. You will get the output. And from terminal, you just need to write the Python file name .py and click enter. It will give you the output. That's it. Thank you for this video.